What's up, you guys? Welcome back to Kelly Builds, and in today's video I'm hoping that I'm going to get that sub rail finished sandblasting. I'm still having trouble with those corners, just trying to reach the thing up there to get it. I had a few recommendations for like cutting it, of course, just leaving the thing open, getting a spot, I think it was called like a spot blaster, just to get the ends, but Travis thinking just try it this way still, and then I guess move forward from there if we are still having a problem. So I'm gonna start off with that blasting, then hopefully welding on that piece that I had made the other day. I'll bring it over here. Whoa. So we also have a huge chassis in here now for Galaxy, so trying to figure out the best space for working on stuff as well. So these are the pieces that I posted in another video. If you were curious, I can just I'll leave the link in the description if you're interested. If this is your first video. And if it is your first video, welcome. So yeah, I'm gonna head over here to my little blasting cabinet and really hope that I can accomplish this, because as you guys know, limited time. So with that limited time, it is like crunch time, and I really want to get this car on the road by like October, which seems a little crazy, I know, but you know, you gotta set a little bit of a goal for yourself, I guess, or I don't know. We'll see what happens. If it doesn't happen by October, I will be okay with that, but you know, what's the harm in trying? Well, in true to life fashion, I was actually doing a really good job taking care of the ends over here, thinking that, oh, you know, I'll be ready to go by the time Trav gets home. Well, all of a sudden, I'm doing it and like the smoke is coming out of it. Like you can see it's the, I can't think of the word right now. Oh my goodness. Like the stuff that's in it that actually takes the rust off, it was starting to come out, and like the garage was starting to get filled with smoke and all those little particles. So now I have to wait for Trav to come back and check this out, because I called him and there could be a few different things, and I don't feel like I'm like, you know, in a position to diagnose something like that. So now I just have to wait for him to come home. Time's ticking here. Kids are gonna wake up and I'm, you know, trying my best, but sometimes it's just like, what the heck. Ah! So Travis is home.
I need to breathe. I need to breathe.
I wasn't crazy.
No. Filter was clogged up. This came out of the bottom of the filter.
It's just all media?
Yeah, and some rust.
Probably shouldn't have put that back in there.
What?
At least I wasn't crazy, right?
Look at it go.
Is it still coming out?
Yeah. Oh, quite a bit more.
Why would you do it like that?
Huh?
Oh, that one's mostly rust that time.
Yeah.
I don't know if you can tell. Probably not.
Get out. Chelsea looks good. Yeah, well, it's a street rod shop now.
This is out of the blaster. Good enough for now. We're gonna have to do it again anyway, so whatever. So I'm starting to get the hammer, and I'm going to hammer down all these. Let's see if I can. Oh! As I whack the camera.
My thumbs have cuts on it.
Lower all these with the hammer to get it nice and straight, and then I have to grind this stuff off, but I'm just gonna use that tiny little one that I used before, because it's obviously a lot less scary than the other one, and hopefully put on that piece on here.
polish went going there.
It's hard to hold it.
Oh, we should have made it chicken level for this as well as the UPS over out.
Into this one.
Oh yes. This?
No, it's like flatten it out. Okay, David, don't go willy-nilly.
I wasn't.
This looks it. And this one hit on the side and on the side of it to bring
Here?
the low up.
Here
Yeah, but not crazy
and
hard.
here.
Just right next to it. Here and here. Now hit
Here?
center, yeah.
I'm a working woman.
Doesn't take a lot of force for this. That's up in the air, bang that down.
It's grinder time. All right, I've got my ears on, so I can't really tell how loud I'm talking. Now, Trav got me all set up with the little grinder. I'm gonna be taking all this stuff off here
Oh, because you gotta do that plus the
without going through or doing anything with this. So just trying to keep it nice and straight going through. Less scary using the plugged in grinder, and using one of these I feel a little bit more comfortable. So hopefully this goes pretty smoothly.
This is, I guess they put a pad on it. You didn't bring it out. This is.
Like that?
That off.
More?
Yeah. You want to get all those things gone. Quick release.
Quick release shield. Yeah.
So now that that's all taken care of, for the most part, it's honestly kind of a disaster. I'm gonna start drilling these out. We're gonna take this piece off and save it. So I know when I had done the other piece with the sub-rail video, I just like drilled it down or ground it down and then did the screwdriver and the hammer. But now I'm gonna be using this and just taking care of these to get this piece off. I guess today is gonna be more of a prep to weld day. Not much of a accomplished day, besides the little tasks that I have to do anyway. All right, so we'll just get into it. Hope for the best. I'm gonna try obviously not to drill through, but yeah. Oh wow. Oh!
Take it all out.
I was, and then I thought maybe I don't have to.
You are wrong.
Oh, on top, yeah, you're not gonna hammer that off.
That's like,
Yeah, there's a lot of heat left on this thing. See that drop?
You have tweezers out here?
Your dad lived right over you had two dads. You don't like that in 5 days.
Now you think I could try?
Yeah, try it again.
The cooler ones though, really the Stewart needle. You know what? I think the Monte Carlos are coming out, but like the cutlasses are not.
Alright guys, so that's all I've got for right now. It's 3 o'clock and that is when my time runs out. So I'll show ya. I got these two out right here. I need to do a bit more drilling on these holes. I was nervous to go too far drilling it, that I didn't do it enough, but I'll do that. Then I have to hammer this out, make it nice and straight. So this will be the first part of this, and then I'll just continue on taking care of that. Next part to this video will start now. All right, so new day, back on this again. I am going to get this taken out for sure today. And I will have to blast this piece at some point, but I don't know, honestly, if I'm gonna do it right now. Do I need this piece back to put this on? Okay. So I'm gonna be welding this on here.
No, I don't think you will.
So maybe I won't, or I'm still gonna have to blast the inside, maybe? So I don't know, I guess take this off, throw it in the blaster quick, take care of that, and then start to weld this on. So that should be good to get a task taken care of. So I will just set you guys up and we will get going. I don't need ears for hammering.
So glad you hammered.
Probably the same capacity of yesterday. Whoa, that didn't work out. Okay. On my body at some point here.
Don't listen to anybody. What are you gonna do?
Can I lift what up?
Back, pull it up. Turn on the camera and then pull it up.
Say that one more time. Take the camera off first.
Turn it on.
Okay.
And then pull it up.
Here?
Yeah, should be able to lift it. Okay.
Easy. wait till it's level and right in the middle, right? How am I gonna see it, Amy?
I don't know. I guess just go down a couple notches. And then we'll test. Gotta go both of them though, so be quick. It's not right. It's heavy.
Down? So
Yeah.
what, pull up?
Yeah.
Okay. That's like just about perfect.
Is it?
It's in the thing. I don't know. Like,
Thanks.
yeah. Yeah, anytime, bro.
Yeah.
Here for help, so. Brief interruption. So I've been at this one spot weld area since yesterday. So I'm having Trav look into it. He thinks that there's like a couple spot welds right there, which is why it hasn't broken through yet. But it's super annoying that it's not just like going.
Same story here.
So what, there's some more spot welds then?
It's a bigger spot weld, so the area we are drilling is not big enough. So drill over here. Like
On
where
all
the
of them?
indent is. No, just one at a time. This one you definitely didn't get these. You have to drill a little deeper, but
But do you think that's just right there?
maybe. I don't want to drill too many holes if you don't need to.
Yeah. So I will drill and I will try again. So I'm having some trouble. This one got out, of course, but this, it was again another like multi-spot weld extraordinaire. So I need to like drill in the middle, but it, of course, with the drill, it doesn't sit well in between, like where the peak is. If I'm making any sense, like I'm trying to put the drill right there and it just keeps slipping. So, gonna use this little cutie pie and see if this helps a bit. Okay. Let's try this. I'm nervous to do too much. So what, just give it a try, right? Hello. It's like cutting off my circulation as well.
Yours?
Yeah. I really can't understand what's going wrong here. Can I use like a small one maybe? Or does it have to be this one?
So we can't get a small one.
Can you just whack this then? It's like, you know, I'm like there.
pretty loose. That's
This. Okay, so I had reinforcements. It's honestly a little annoying that I feel like the strength of a man does make a difference. I'm just saying strength though, like, you know, because Travis can do it so quickly. But anywho, and you've been doing it forever. Now, I don't know if my phone's on. So now I'm gonna take this little grinder. There's just one spot. Let me show you. Right here. That it's connected to. So once I grind that off, it should pretty much just break apart. So, should. Glasses on. Jiminy Crickets. You think this would work? Like that and hit it? Or do you think that could break it? Do you know what I mean?
Yeah, hit it with a hammer quick.
Hit it with the hammer?
Yeah, like
What do you think? I don't know. Do I just grind it more? It's like right there. Do we just use the little cutting wheel? Do you know what I mean?
There's something else holding it. Yeah, sprawl's right there.
Oh my god. Another one. And then it should come apart.
Should.
So help me God. So same thing that I just have been doing.
Really, yeah.
Just when I think this might be accomplished, there's another freaking spot weld right there. What is the point of doing all this spot weld? Is that someone just like,
It holds the car together, Kelly.
yeah, but like this excessively? Like it
Yeah.
seems like there's no rhyme or reason to them. You know? Like no good spacing, no.
Well, they don't care about that in the factory. They just get it together.
Why do we care so much?
It's better.
I guess you're right. Let's try this, hopefully for the last time here. Oh look, what kind of place is this? She is so rickety. You want to hold that? Ow.
Nope.
What?
On a bad angle, you can slip down. Not like that. But
That's so annoying. I'm literally pushing so hard and you would have gone through the thing. Like, how am I supposed to get stronger? Like lifting weights? What's it
I
gonna
don't know.
take? Because it has to go through farther. This
Yep.
angle, right?
hey, what's
What?
that?
What's this? This. Woo! Thank God.
See how gross it is under there?
Yes.
So I gotta pull everything apart because it's gonna rust again.
We've got the Resto Master here. What are your thoughts? Look at, we're a little crooked here.
Thoughts sandblasted. Definitely that piece. And we can try to get this one. It's just tough.
Super tough. So what, blast this and then we can start welding? As in me?
Hope so.
Do you want to pull that a little for me? I thought it was more. So, psych, I forgot to put the air on. And if I had $1 for every time I went over and tried to use this and then realized that the air wasn't in, I would be not rich by any stretch of the imagination, but I'd have a little bit of money. So let me put this on and then, you know, actually do what I need to do. Travis ain't the only tippy tapper in my house now, baby. So after all that tippy tapping, and I don't have gloves on now, I'm just realizing that, you know, so be it. I'm going to take the grinding off here. Travis just made a good point that I still have more of these to do, or maybe one more, and then he might make the other two, or we might make the other two for the other car. So I guess this is good because I'm really learning how to do it for next time when I have to do the other one. It shouldn't be much like thinking. I should be able to just do it. So as much as this is a pain going back and forth, I'm at least learning, right? There is a plus side to this situation. Well, the whole thing is a plus, actually. You know, learning, doing. There's no harm in learning. Glasses, a little wonky. You don't think I should hammer down all this to make this nice and straight? It doesn't.
It's gotta be straight.
It's
It has
not.
curve to it, but it's gotta be straight. So straight.
Yeah. This is all I'm able to do today.
Yeah.
Is this uncommon? Is this like not normal?
Well, you don't know what you're doing.
Yeah.
That's the only issue. But like
Is it
things do
embarrassing?
take a long time.
Is it embarrassing? Okay, guys. That is looking like it's going to get this out of my face, honestly. That is gonna probably wrap up today. So it's actually gonna be a final prep for tomorrow's welding. So this is all set and taken care of. I really don't know how much a camera can show you, but yeah. And then once we get the piece that was made and we butt it up, probably gonna have to do a little bit more grinding. It's kind of a mess right here, honestly, if you can tell. So trying to, oh, I'm touching the ceiling. Trying to figure all that out. So yeah, this is all set. Tomorrow I will actually be welding. So yeah, I guess that's all I've got for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.